In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Claude Code costs and session limits. If you've ever noticed your usage getting expensive quickly or hitting session limits earlier than expected, this video will help you understand exactly why that happens and how to control it. The key idea is simple. Everything in Claude has a cost based on tokens, context, and how often you send messages. Once you understand this, you can manage your usage much more efficiently without losing productivity. Let's start with the basics. Claude counts every input token you send, every output token it generates, and even the full context it has to reread every single time you send a new message. That context includes your ongoing chat history, any files you upload, code snippets, and tool outputs. So even a small follow-up message can become more expensive than you expect because Claude is reprocessing everything again and again. And this is also one of the main reasons users hit session limits faster than they think. Now let's move on to the first optimization strategy, using strong prompts. Instead of having long back-and-forth conversations, try to combine everything into one clear, structured prompt. Explain your goal, include the exact files or functions you want to work on, and clearly define what output you expect. This reduces the number of message turns, which directly reduces token usage and cost. Next is batching your tasks. Whenever possible, group related tasks together. For example, instead of asking for a bug fix in one message, an optimization in another, and comments in a third, combine everything into a single request. One well-structured prompt is always cheaper and more efficient than multiple small ones. Now, let's talk about context management, which is extremely important. As your conversation grows, older messages keep adding to the token load. To fix this, you should reset your context when switching tasks. You can use commands like clear to wipe the conversation history so unnecessary tokens don't carry over. If your chat becomes too long, you can also use compact to shrink the earlier conversation while keeping the important details. This helps reduce cost and prevents you from hitting session limits too early. Another important tip is to work in small, focused chunks. Instead of asking Claude to analyze an entire project, limit the scope to specific files, modules, or functions. Smaller scope means smaller context processing, which makes everything faster and cheaper. Along with that, always be precise. Clearly describe what needs to be changed, where it should happen, and what the final result should look like. The more precise you are, the fewer clarification questions you'll get, which again saves tokens and time. Next is model selection. For most everyday coding tasks, use Sonnet because it is more cost-efficient. Only switch to Opus when you truly need deeper reasoning or complex multi-file analysis. Choosing the right model alone can significantly reduce your overall usage cost. Finally, you should always monitor your usage. Keep an eye on cost tracking tools like SLC cost and session status indicators. If you notice your usage increasing too quickly, reset the context, compact the conversation, and narrow your next request. And that's the core idea. Short chats, clear prompts, and small, focused context are the key to keeping costs low and avoiding session limits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.